Hello and thank you for watching this video. And so in this video, I'd like to demonstrate how easy it is to create just a simple melody using Qwikkey. So this is my desktop on the device, on the Android device. And here I have a new blank file. So what we have is that whenever we have a new blank file, we have the number 1 at the very extreme left of the screen, which is the very first character on the line. And what that means is that that is the Midi port number 1. So in Midi, there are 16 ports altogether, which can be used to have in order to write Midi voices or Midi music for any number of instruments along the 16 ports. So we can have altogether 16 voices sounding simultaneously. Just to mention that port 10 is reserved specifically for unpitched instruments, such as drums and cymbals. So here we have the Midi port number 1, which is the voice number 1. And so what we can do is that we can just add a simple melody like this. So it'll be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And we can just press play immediately to hear what it sounds like. So before we do that, we have to save it as a file name. So that is the default file name that it gives, which is the date and the time. So that is a very straightforward scale of A minor. And if we don't add any octave number, what it does is it defaults it to the 4th octave. Just to mention that in Qwikkey, the octave starts on the letter A instead of the note C. So, for example, 4A, which is the 4th octave A in Qwikkey, is below the middle C, which is 4C, whereas conventionally, the 4th octave A is above the middle C. So if, for example, we wish to change the octave, then we can lower it and add the number 3, and it'll sound 1 octave lower. And if we wish to give it a different time value, because it defaults to a crotchet, we can give it a quaver time value, which is H in Qwikkey. So it sounds like this. And if we wish to change the tempo itself, then we simply need to insert a capital T followed by the beat per crotchet. So here we have 140 beats per crotchet. And if we wish to change the volume, then we simply insert an asterisk followed by the percentage of the volume. So if we wish to make it 8% loud, so we just add in asterisk 80 like that. And if we wish to change the instrumentation, then we just add in a capital I followed by the name of the instrument. So for example, we can add a clarinet like that, and it'll sound like that.